Hello, my name is Jackson Felipe Bosco, and now I'm presenting about my solution for the move search and favorites. I built a full stack application using Nest.js at the backend and Next.js at the front end, integrate with OMDb API, and implement a search and favorites functionalities, and use TanStack queries. Starting with the backend, NestJS and domain-driven structure. I organize the code by domain, everything related to movies in one model, favorites in another. This wasn't required, but it's a pattern that scales well and makes testing easier. Code quality and stability were priorities. The project has a full set of tests using Jest and Supertest to ensure each part works well. I went beyond in-memory storage and implemented MongoDB persistence, favorites survive restarts, and I add duplicate prevention. You can add the same movie twice. I add Redis for caching. Why? The OMDb API has rate limits. Without caching, every search hits their API. With Redis, I cache results for 24 hours. Subsequent searches are served from cache, reducing response time by over 95%. The documentation is already here with Swagger, auto-generated, always update, testable, and in the browser. The application includes interactive API documentation, make it easy for developers to explore and use the API. About the front end, I use Next.js 14 with the app router using TanStack Query as required. I create a custom hook and that encapsulate all favorites logics. These hooks use TanStack Query for queries to fetch favorites, mutations to add and remove, automatic cache invalidation, and optimistic updates. Any component can now import this hook and get instant access to favorite states, clean, reusable, and testable. The interface handles all edge cases, loading states, empty states, error states. I used CSS Modules for styling, keeps components self-contained, and yes, it's fully responsive.